Hey guys, this is Jared with Carbon Digital and Dev Guys. Today we're going to be talking about how to add the Facebook pixel tracking code to your WordPress website. All right. So to start with, we're going to have to go to the plugins section to prepare for the code. So we're going to go to plugins and then add new. And in the search bar on the right hand side, we're going to type in custom CSS custom space CSS if you're just listening. Um, the first plugin here is Simple Custom CSS and JS by silkypress.com. Install now. And once that's installed, click on Activate. And you can see that the plugin is here and also in the left hand menu bar, it's there as well. So now that that's ready, all we need to do is open up a new window or a new tab and go to business.facebook.com. And when you go there, you're going to have to naturally log in. And I have multiple accounts here. So I'm going to click on my business account. And if you only have one, it's going to come to this primary page here, your home page. All right. So to get to the pixels section the very first time, you need to go to business settings on the right hand side. You can also go to on the top left hand corner, click on business manager and access the pixels that way. But I prefer business settings myself because there's so much more information than just the business, um, than just the pixel. All right, so the pixels are located under data sources here on the left hand menu bar. All right, and then so open that up. We're going to click on pixels. All right, so you can see here that I have a pixel. And so what I'll do real quick is walk through how to add a new pixel. All right, so we're going to click on add, create a Facebook pixel. So let's call this test pixel. And I'm not going to put in a URL because it's optional and this is just a test. So click create once you've put that in, and now it's done. It's very, very simple. All right, so now you can access, I'll close this out. Now you can access that pixel and work on it. Okay, so what I'm actually going to do is delete this pixel later. In the meantime, let's look at how we can add this pixel to our website. So the first thing we need to do is in the top part of this midsection here, you'll see that there's a code icon next to the title. But this actually is a bar that's going to take you to another website or another page, so to speak. So click on that and it'll open up a new tab. Now this here is the detailed events management section of the Facebook pixel itself. So in order to actually set this up, you can either use the top right hand section where it says setup and install pixel, or you can go with this setup pixel button in the middle. So I'm just going to do install pixel. All right, and so the easiest method here, um, obviously, it's if you just want to log into your account, that's easy to do. I actually prefer plugging in the code itself. So I'm going to click on manually install pixel code yourself. And so we're going to scroll down here to this middle section. And you see immediately as I hover, it says click copy code to clipboard. So I'm just going to click on that and you see that it's copied. So now we're going to navigate back to our website. Now, real quick, this code, actually, it might even tell you here, um, just for those instances where you don't know. Okay, it does not. So this code is based off of HTML, which is the structure of your website. And you can tell that by this code here that says script, and then script right here. Oops, I just clicked it again. Okay, that is the HTML tags where you insert JavaScript. And then this in between the two tags is your JavaScript. So this is actually all HTML. So we're going to go to our website here, and when you hover over custom CSS and JS, you can easily click add custom HTML. And when that opens up, so we're going to highlight everything here, delete it, and then we're just going to paste in our code. Very, very simple. Okay. I like to add a space at the end of this. You can tell that this last line of code is on line 17, and I have a space here on 18. And that's just to give a little actual space between multiple different sets of code. Then we're going to give this a title. Let's call this Facebook Pixel. All right. And we want this to be on the page. We want it to be in the header, and we want this to be in the site in front end. If you put it in the admin section, it's actually gonna do the WordPress admin section. That's not what we want. We want it on the front end, which is what all of your customers see when they go to your website. So once those are set, just click on publish, and you're done. We'll go back to this Facebook Pixel page, and let's see, automatic advanced matching. Yes, you want to turn that on for all the customers that you already have, and then click all of those, just because you can use all of that data that you have to you can use all of that data to retarget to them, and then you can input your URL and test it, but it's going to work. And hit continue, and you're done. It's that easy. And finally, back here in WordPress, if you click on all custom code, it'll take you to the actual list of code that you have. And so when you hover over Facebook Pixel, you'll see the words deactivate. So if you ever need to test something to see what's broken, figure out what the problem is, you can come in here and you don't want to trash them. You want to just deactivate it. That way it's still there, not deleted. All right. Well, that's all I have for you today on the Facebook Pixel and how to install it in WordPress. Until next time, happy coding.